evening time, everybody. Hope you all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Alrighty, guys, bear with me here. I've got a cold. I know I probably sound funny. We got an 8-pill repair review. What happened to this thing? He blew one pill out of each section. So when you blow one pill out of each 4-pill section, I don't just patch it up. I put all new 8 pills in there. Got him all fixed up. 8 brand new transistors. Sometimes if you just got one blow to one section, I'll change it and chance it. But when you got one blow to one section, one blow to another section, you know, no. So it's got new transistors, new 10 ohms, new 100 ohm resistors, new combiner resistors, and so forth. Let me get the power supply set up. I forgot to set it up. All right, I got it. Alrighty, guys, we're going to look at our straight through SWR. Hello, worldwide, 0, get on down. We're going to turn him on. If I can find the button. There he is. Input SWR, output PEP, radio drive. Hello, radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, straight 8, it's alive. Radio drive, get on down, worldwide, 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn on our driver, little 2-pill on 13 volts. Hello, driver, get on down. It's a hot one, it's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, hello. Straight 8, getting on down. Break. I'll take that all day long, all night long, getting on down. We're going to go ahead and put our Colossal 10K outdoor dummy load on it. We're going to go back to radio drive. Hello, worldwide, I forgot to show the bird. 1, 2, 3, worldwide, 938 and some change. The driver. Hello, driver, you talking to me? Break. Does that sound any better right there? Hello out there, Southeast Missouri. Sounding real good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee, beat us on the test bench, waving a hand. Hello, 112 Southeast Missouri. You're sounding good on my outdoor dummy load on my Colossal 10K. We're waving. Two Southeast Missouri Mobile, loud and proud in 10, man. We're waving a hand. $10-4 on 70 miles, St. Louis, Missouri. Well, we're on the test bench, man, on the Colossal outdoor dummy load. Just testing one out here, man. Heard you holler. Hope you have a good evening. Your friend in 10. 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Products on the test bench. Catch you later. Alrighty, so obviously it works. I didn't have my noise gate on, just turned it off. That's about it, guys. Just want to do a little test review here. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. I appreciate you watching. Big shout out to YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.